Hello everyone, this is Mr. Stanish, just giving you a little information about how to get onto the conferences tomorrow and Friday, or Wednesday, sorry, they're all running together. Um, so if you go to the Sign Up Genius where you signed up, you will see on location here, it'll say Google Meet nickname. So it'll say Conference A or Conference B. Notice that they're all small case letters and it's just spelled Conference A, Conference B. So this is where you'll get your Google Meet nickname. I didn't put a code on there. I just used a nickname because it's a lot easier to sign in with the nickname. So go ahead and get on the Google Meet or on the Sign Up Genius here. Get your conference nickname. It'll be either A or B. I'm just reversing them so that I can sign off of one and get back onto the other and not have people trying to sign in the middle of our conferences. So I am going to have to, for those of you that are back to back on these, I will have to cut you off right at the 6:35 or whatever time it is their conference ends, just so that I can get on with the other person in the next conference. So I'm going to have two of them open, and this way I can kind of manage it. So check on the Sign Up Genius for your conference time. If you have any questions, email me and I'll give you your conference time and also what your conference A or B, but the easiest place to find is right here on the Sign Up Genius. Once you've done that, go ahead and to get on a Google Meet, the easiest way to do it if you have a Google account is to sign in. You can get to this various ways, but if you sign in with your account, you can go to the waffles and then go down to the Google Meet icon. If you're doing it on your phone, you'll probably want to have the app. Then you can get the app. This will be your sign-on page. Normally it says join or start a meeting here. Normally you'll click this and you can either enter a code or the nickname that I put for the meeting. So all you would do is type in conference A, all small case if you're conference A. If you're conference B, you do conference B. Hit continue. It'll take you to the getting ready. You can check your camera and your microphone here if you want. And then all you do is hit join now. And then that will let you into the conference, and I will accept you into it. We'll have our quick meeting. I'm going to go over a couple things with you, star scores, a little bit of math stuff, and just general want to talk to you about your child and where I see them at. And because I think the assessment piece of me just knowing who they are from what they produce on a day-to-day basis tells us a lot more than what we get from one single assessment. So that'll be it. And I look forward to seeing all of you, and we'll see you either tomorrow or on Wednesday. Thank you very much.